Today I got with me the Huawei P30 Lite. So today in this video, let me unbox and give you all the initial impression about this device. I'm Jagath and welcome back to my channel. If you all have not yet subscribed my channel, consider hitting the subscribe button. So as you all can see, this is the box. Now let's just have a quick look around the box. As we all can see, we have got the name mentioned as Huawei P30 Lite.
Then we have got the logo on the top. Then at the bottom, we have got the IMEI number along with RAM, ROM and color variant of this device.
We have got some specification about this device on the back side. So let's just unbox it. So as you all can see, inside we have got the mobile. Let me just keep it aside and check what else we have got inside the box. Next we have the pin for SIM ejection. Okay. Next we have got some paperwork. Then we also get the silicone case along with this mobile. Then we have the USB Type-C cable, power brick, and the last thing inside the box is the earphones. Okay, this is the device. Let me give you all the physical overview of this device. So as you all can see, at the top we have got the SIM tray, followed by secondary noise cancellation microphone. At the bottom we have got the 3.5mm headphone jack, USB Type-C cable, microphone. Then we have the speaker. On the right hand side we have got the volume rocker buttons. Then below it we have the power button. On the left hand side we don't have anything.
On the front side we have the notch display along with camera. Above the camera we have got the earpiece speaker.
Moving on to the back side. At the back side we have got the fingerprint scanner. Then we have the triple camera setup. Then below it we have got the LED flashlight. So let me just turn on this device. Meanwhile we'll just have a look at the specification of this device.
The phone is powered by Kirin 710 octa-core processor and comes with 4GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage. The phone has 6.15-inch display with an aspect ratio of 19.5:9 and comes with a notch design. Moving on to the cameras, the phone has got a triple cam setup on the back side with 24, 8 and 2 megapixel sensors. On the front side it comes with 32 megapixel sensor for selfies and video calling. Phone is boosted by 3340 mAh battery and also comes with fast charging support. The phone runs on Android 9.0. Two color options to choose from, blue or black. As you all can see, I have got the blue one. So this is how the phone looks with the silicone case. Okay, now let me just go to the settings and see.
Coming to the initial impressions. So as the name suggests, the phone is actually very light. It is very comfortable to hold in the hand, and as you all can see, the power button and the fingerprint scanner are easy to access. Headphone jack is actually at the bottom, but I would have preferred it to be at the top. If you all see, the color of this device is awesome. Then we also get some pattern like S-shaped, and that looks really cool.
So the fingerprint scanner is pretty quick. As you all can see, it unlocks the device instantly.
Okay guys, that's it from this video. I'll be doing camera review and gaming review of this device. So please stay tuned for it. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more.